Okay, we are going to do, Victoria, are you talking about Module 3? Okay. Module 3, número 6. Yeah, I'd love to. Okay, so number 6, here we go. Module 3, number 6.
So is Module 4 also for, it is also for homework, right?
Yes, sir. Okay, the height, age, and feet of a projectile launched vertically upward from the top of a 96-foot tall tower when time t is 0 is given by h equals 96 plus 80t minus 16t squared. All right. So it's like this. Hey guys, what's the y-intercept or the h-intercept? How do you know? Because this is the hardest part. How do I know how to sketch my little, does it start at, yes, Michelle?
You would start at 96.
Why?
Because the tower is 96 feet tall and that's where he launches.
Holla. And if you're not sure about that, you look at this. What is C? 96. So this is 96. Good. You go like this. Now, what's the question say? The question says, how long will it take the projectile to strike the ground? We're doing time, so we need a t value, which is on the x-axis. Where does it, this is the projectile. Where does it hit the ground? Here? No. Down, right there. Good. So, what am I going to put into y1? That. Good. What am I going to put into y2? Good, because when you hit the ground, that's right, the height is 0. Got it? So get your calculator, please. Y equals, clear out whatever's in there, 96 plus 80x minus 16x squared. And what do I put in y2? A 0. I'm going to hit zoom 6 so that I'm like in a standard window with all of you. So I hit zoom 6 after that, and I just see what we can see. I see both sides of the parabola, do you? Do you see where it's coming up and then coming back down? But what do we not see? We don't see the maximum, but do I need it yet? What do I need? I need that red dot. So from what I have, can I figure it out? I need to find that intersection point right there, right here. That intersection point, correct? So how do I do that? I hit second calc. What? Intersection. And then I'm going to hit the down arrow to get Blinky Man down to the x-axis, because sometimes Blinky you can't find him. Just hit the up or down arrow and you can find him. And then I'm going to scooch him way over, so I'm going to hit the right arrow and scooch him over as close to that intersection point as possible that I'm trying to find. And then I hit what? Enter how many times? Good. So enter, and I get that's at 6. Did you?
Yeah.
So how long does it take for that projectile to strike the ground? 6 seconds. It takes the projectile to strike the ground 6 seconds. It takes 6 seconds for the projectile to strike the ground. Okay. Second part of this problem. There's another question. It says, what is the maximum height? So what do I need for that? How do I find a maximum height?
You have to adjust the window.
Okay, right, because where is it on my little sketch that I have on my paper? Where is the maximum?
Out of sight.
On this, though, on your paper, it's right here, isn't it? But you're right. When I look at the graph, it's out of sight. So I need to adjust my window. So what do I want to make my window? What am I changing? The X max, Y max? Good. Why am I changing the Y max? That's right. And what did you change it to? 150. So I'm going to change my Y max to 150. Now we hope that works. If not, we'll just change it again. It's okay. We'll change it again. So I hit graph. It's closer. It didn't quite get there, right? So now what do I change the Y max to?
200.
I'm gonna go to 200. Probably another one would have worked, no problem. Okay, 200 worked, great. I can see it. Can you?
Yeah.
Okay, so I can see it now. I changed my Y max to 200. Again, other things would work right there. I just changed it to 200. And now what do? I go second, calc, what? We're finding this maximum, yes, because it asks for the maximum height. Yes, number 4. So second, calc, 4. I move Blinky Man to the left of that highest point. You should understand those steps. I hope. I don't want to have to keep writing them out. I hope you know what to do. You move Blinky Man to the left, and then you hit enter. Then what do you do? That's right. Move Blinky Man to the right. You hit enter. And then you hit enter again. So let me do that. Enter over to the right. Enter, and then enter through guess. And then I got, woo! What'd you get? 2.5 comma what?
196.
Okay, so over in context of the problem, that's this point right here. And the question said, how high will it go? So which one is it? Is it the X value of that or the Y value of that? The Y value. Yes. So how high does it go?
196.
196, and what are the units? Yeah. Yep. You're right. Feet. There you go.